Today, we show you how to pour a long black. A great long black is clean, carefully balanced, and ideally served at 75 degrees Celsius. Start by placing a small cup on the scales and tare it to 0. Add 70 grams of hot water, followed by 10 grams of cold water. If you go over, simply tip out a little water. You're aiming for approximately 80 grams. This mix gives you the right temperature and correct volume of water in the cup. Prepare your dose to the desired recipe. If you're running a specialty coffee program in your cafe, it's not one recipe suits all. Our coffee recommendation is always a single origin for a long black. However, always refer to your roaster's recipe for the best extraction and flavour profile. Remember, taste is king. Now bring the cup to the spout of the portafilter. Extract a double shot, letting it pour gently down the side of the cup. This helps preserve the crema and keeps the texture smooth. Once your shot has finished pouring, serve straight away. Call it out with confidence. Black coffee up. If there's anything we can help with, let us know. And if you're ever nearby, drop in and say hi. We'd love to see you.